North. Baltimore Ravens, West Coast swinging. They look sloppy. Ed Reed and the guys.
20
That's a long plane flight.
That's a great safety right there.
Okay. Travel agent, Steve Mariucci. Third quarter, Ravens down 10-3. Bernard Pierce to spell Ray Rice. 18 yards on that. Whoa! How about the hurl over Eric Weddle?
Eric Weddle was getting ready to make a business decision.
It's like Edwin Moses.
That was a good one.
That ain't bad. Good call on your part.
Long time.
4 plays later, 4th and 1. John Harbaugh, what are we doing? We're going for it. Pierce.
You should go for it.
Who's he going to hurdle over this time? That would be a big play to nothing.
Big defensive stand on short yards by the Chargers.
This is really a must-win for the Chargers. Coming into this one, 4 and 6 on the day. Great job by the defense. Fourth quarter, Ravens down by 10. Flacco, not his best effort on this day for Dennis Pitta. Welcome back to the lineup.
Nice drive.
That's a 90-yard drive, and the Ravens sniffing it. They're within 3.
That's what you expect out of Joe Flacco now. He's got to carry this team.
So next Ravens possession, under 2 to go. It's 4th and 29. Who converts 4th and 20? And you're going to dump it down to Ray Rice on 4th and... Wait a second.
That's a lot of belief. That's
Wait a
a lot
second.
of belief in Ray Rice.
Wait a second. Ray Rice, keep going. He does, and they give him the first down. They move the chains, but then they stop the play. They had to go back and look at it and see whether or not he got the first down. But look how pumped up that sideline is. Upon further review, they have to remark the chains, take the measurement. It's a first down, and North cannot believe it.
29.
You guys got to be kidding me.
So now it's the rookie out of Texas, Justin Tucker, to tie it. Oh, he's
Got it. I like that. Tucker. Got love for you, baby.
We're heading to overtime.
He lays his uni out before the game. That's all I'm saying.
Ravens' second possession in overtime. So now that both teams have had it, field goal's good enough to win it here. Flacco on 3rd and 4 hits Dennis Pitta for 11 yards. Then Flacco looking for Torrey Smith. Look at that.
Beautiful back shoulder throw. Great concentration. Boy, that's a wrestling match right there, and they're going to give it to the offense.
Quentin Jammer right there, but that is indeed an amazing catch.
Great focus.
So it sets up Tucker from 38 yards out for the win. And a huge come-from-behind win for the leaders of the AFC North. North Turner, what about that 4th and 29?